Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lush Gardener. So today is going to be an unboxing video. A lot of succulents, of course, some clay pots. Now as you all know, I love terracotta earthen pots a lot. Now these are not terracotta, but these are regular clay pots, and we all know that clay pots tend to work out really well for our succulents. Unfortunately, the sale is only within India. They don't sell internationally, so if you are from India, you can definitely purchase it from them. I will put up the phone number in the description. You can check out the catalog because they have different varieties of pots, and they are at a very affordable rate, because we all know that clay pots can be quite expensive. I would say terracotta pots are very expensive, but these clay pots that I seen, they were at a very reasonable price, so I thought I will purchase them. So there are some instructions mentioned on it. So this is the name of the company and that's the phone number, but I'll any which ways put it in the description below. So these are the instructions. So let's take out the pot. So looks like we also have one gift, and these are the pots. So I had purchased 3 pots or 4 pots, I'm not very sure, but let's unpack it. You can see the packing is done really well, because the pots can easily get damaged, especially clay pots. They are very fragile and they can easily break off in transit. So you can see they have been packed really well. So let me unwrap the first one. Okay, there are 2 in this. So the first one is this pot. You can see, absolutely beautiful. These are very similar to the Succulents that I was talking about, so they tend to work out really well, especially if you are from a place which has very high humidity. These pots are going to turn out to be a boon for your succulents. So if you get a chance, please do visit and purchase it from them. These are very light, very good porous material, so they look absolutely fantastic. A very good size for a medium sized succulent, even a large succulent as well. So this is the first one, and this is the smaller one. Let me check. So this one is also amazing. You can see this. These were at a very affordable, cheap price. If you go on their catalog and you will check the prices, you will be surprised to see. I was a little bit hesitant why the prices are so low, but these are really amazing. I think there are going to be 2 in this. Yup. And I think the rest of them are some gifts. I must say they have been packed really well, because I usually do not purchase pots online. They are quite expensive, but because these were at a very good price, so I thought I will give it a try, and I'm not regretting it, because these are amazing pots and my succulents are going to do fantastic in this for sure. This is another one. This has the Monstera design on it, and they both are of the same size. Now these pots are not machine made, basically they are handmade, so they are very unique. Each pot is going to be very unique. And then the third one, this one I think also had some design on it. You can see how well it has been packed. I really love this cactus design on this pot. Looks amazing. This one, let me check. You can see how very well they are packed. I think this is going to be the rectangular pot kind of a thing. This is a smaller pot. This is basically for pups. You can grow one small little pup or 2 or 3 of small pups. You can see again, absolutely beautiful design. As I said, these are handmade. Now as you all know, I do not like pots that have a very smooth finish, like how you have these machine made pots like ceramic pots. I prefer pots to look very unfinished, very raw, rustic, because when you put your succulent in that, it tends to give a very different beauty to the succulent altogether. So absolutely love this pot as well. Amazing. I think I can even put a medium sized succulent in this. We will see what we can add. I won't be adding succulents today because I don't have any that needs repotting. Probably in some other video I will definitely make a video on it, because right now I'm going to leave them in water for 30 minutes as it has been mentioned in that paper. And this one is another one. This one is also absolutely gorgeous. You can see I never had a pot that looks like this, so this is something new. Again, I can put a medium sized succulent in this, or I can put some small pups in this, and it's going to look amazing. And let's check out the gift. So there are two of them. So I think this is similar to the cooler that I had. Really amazing. This has a proper terracotta shape. Looks really amazing. Again, in both of these you can put a small succulent. It is going to look absolutely beautiful. You can even use these pots for cacti. Cactus will also do quite well in these pots. So it's really nice to see this. Two gift pots. As you have seen, I tend to use some flower decor these days. I can probably use 1 or 2 flowers on this and give it a beautiful look to it. Of course, I'm not going to paint these pots because I love the brown color. They are going to give a very beautiful look to my already colored succulents, so I don't need to paint these. I will keep all of them in water for 30 minutes as suggested, and maybe in our next video we will repot and put some succulents in it if I have some succulents coming in. So let me put all of these together. So I think these pots are looking absolutely beautiful. Succulents are going to look extremely amazing in these pots, and I think somebody had asked me for a review on this pots, so I hope that this was helpful to you. And these are all the different sizes. There are some more pots also available in the catalog. As I said, I will put the link in the description below, their phone number. You can check their catalog and order it. And as you've seen how well they were packed, so they look amazing. I was a little skeptical because clay pots are very delicate to be transported, but because of that amazing packing, all of them have come intact and they look fantastic. So guys, that's all about it. I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep propagating.